on it.
But I'll get to eat the leftovers.
Alright. Let's continue. Goddess! What's up, bro? Welcome to the chat. You know what? I'm going to...
If my lord dies, I die now. Fully.
No! Quella, don't die.
Listen, my stomach's rumbling. I need some stunty
Guys! Yes, continue. I'm sorry, I don't want to interrupt you.
meat. No, I was just saying that I need some stunty meat.
Guys! I want to make an important announcement. Goddess just dropped me a follow. And now we are at 600 fucking followers. Thank you so much, fucking Goddess, for the fucking follow. I appreciate it. And for 600 fucking follows, we are doing a massive dab. A massive fucking dab. Welcome to Cloud Corp. We appreciate you, and if you're not a fetus, I can get you lit as fuck. Fuck yeah. Guys, let us do the piss. Goddess, thank you so much for the love. I appreciate it so much. Welcome to the Cloud Corp family. Yahtzee! Time to burn. Zeech, open my mind with your fucking heresy. I want to know the secrets. I want to know what color is Rage's butt hair. Tell me.
Come on, Rage.
I hear a little giggle.
What's going on in your tone?
I have to let Zeech tell him.
Zeech will tell me. Tell me your
What's going on in your
secrets,
tone,
Zeech.
Rage?
I'm pretty sure Cloud already knows. I'm pretty sure he's seen my ass hair before.
My champions, Goddess, thank you so much for the power increase. We are now level 600.
Rage?
What? Yeah,
good?
hold on a second. Yeah, I was fucking with shit. Alright.
Oleg's just kind of doing things right now. Alright. If I die, the game's over. Literally.
Oh yeah, that's right. If one of us dies, it ends it. Poop.
No!
I had to pack up my camp so it didn't die. If I lose my camp, I'm multi-4ing anyway. So I had to pack it up. But if I lose this settlement, I'm fucking dead. Why am I not replenishing?
This is Mr. Cloud Stanley! I took Mrs. Cloud Stanley out of spite. She took Mr. Cloud's cup. That's why I have the Stanley. That's not good, Rage. Oh.
He ran away from me.
Why is this? What the fuck?
Oh,
Those.
he took the settlement you were making them from, I think. I think that's what that means.
God damn it! I'm about to rage. I'm about to rage.
Gordas Buxton.
I need food.
I ain't ready.
Come here! Get your ass over here!
I could go fight Grimgor.
What color is your Stanley goddess? Now we have godly and goddess. What the fuck is this? I'm so mad right now.
Oh, I have a contract or a mission objective to take those people's place now. Good.
Oh, there we go. Fuck that. Rage, I'm gonna kind of come over to you a little bit.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Well, Village is running from me.
He's gonna have a bad little time when I get over there.
I have both of my armies chasing him. One army barely has shit, but the other one's full.
This is about to get a whole lot of not fun for me. I'm also losing meat because I have fucking units in my army.
You might have to go like an army light and just get your ass over here for safety.
I can't come over there if I don't have...
So, if I declare war...
There's a chance that I'll get a contract for it, yeah.
Oh, just a chance.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Do you have a chance every turn of getting a new contract or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fuck.
Oh, let's run it.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to complete this fucking contract.
Well, we'll just run it. Let's see what happens. I'm really stoned right now. That was fucking
Yeah,
great.
if I'm stuck and I can't